What's up, guys? So today Mr. and Mrs. Iguana are going to be doing some iguana control around South Florida. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Hope you like this video.
What's up, everyone? Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing some iguana removals throughout Miami. So they complain they have iguanas eating all their plants, eating their mangoes, so all their fruits, and they're also defecating all over the back of the seawall. These iguanas have also been digging holes to lay their eggs. The season's about over, so we're going to go back there now and see what we can remove. We have 3 iguanas back here and 1 iguana about the pod there. So we're gonna see if we remove some of the iguanas. Snare is a great tool to use when we're moving iguanas. Because on some properties you can't use any other method. Some people don't allow traps or shooting due to boats, and it can cause personal injury. So we like to use this when we have no other option. We have another iguana over there. We're going to try and remove him.
I'll have you know I have the reflexes of a cat and the speed of a mongoose.
At this property, we're using our custom iguana deterrent spray. We use all natural herbs and spices to deter the iguanas from eating the bougainvillea plants. It also deters them from eating the orchids.
So this is one of the problems that we have with iguanas. Iguanas like to hang around pool areas, and they also like to defecate while they're on the pool or in the pool. And what happens is, this feces, it goes into the water and it contaminates the pool water, meaning you constantly have to contact the pool guy to come and sanitize the water, clean out the filter. So it becomes costly. It's a lot smarter to just hire an iguana control company to come and clean out the iguanas, remove them, so you don't have these problems. Here's some of the feces, what's happening. So all along here, you're gonna see and they're pooping in all these spots. So when this water runs down, it goes into the water and just keeps repeating itself. So it's good to sanitize the pool if you have this problem. So all along the seawall here, where they hired us, these iguanas have been constantly defecating, as you can see. You know, this is a major health risk, you know, for kids. If they sit down here to fish and they touch it by accident, and pets as well. You know, if dogs or cats, you know, are curious and they lick these feces, they could get sick, you know, which will cause a very expensive vet bill. So this is going on all along the seawall and also along the dock to get to the boating area. So after we just sprayed the deterrent on the bougainvillea, you can see that there's an iguana back there that mostly stays on the podocarpus side because he doesn't like how the taste of the bougainvillea tastes due to our deterrent spray. So we're gonna try to remove him now. So even though this iguana wasn't eating the bougainvillea plant, this is most likely one of the ones that were defecating all over the seawall and the dock to get in the boat.
We're back at this property where we installed these repeating traps. As you can see, we caught 4 iguanas. These traps work well at catching more than 1 iguana at a time.
So these green iguanas here have been eating all the cherries from this tree and some of the bougainvilleas. So he's gonna be super happy to remove this guy.
Alright guys, thank you so much for joining us on our iguana catches. Hope you guys enjoyed.
Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next episode.